Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add JazzCash as a payment gateway to your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I won't be able to exactly show you how it is done because I have the free version of WordPress and I do not have a reason nor the money nor the time to get a business plan subscription, which you do need at least the business plan to get plugins, but I'm counting on you already having it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into the plugin marketplace and we're going to search for the WooCommerce app. So just go WooCommerce and then install the WooCommerce plugin, which you're going to need to set up your online storefront. Now, once you install it, it'll appear as a tab here in the left. You're just going to click on it, go into WooCommerce, then go into settings, and then go into payments. And once you're there, you should have your payment gateways, which you can add as options. Now, of course, you might not have JazzCash, even though it is available in the region you're in. However, if you don't have JazzCash, what you can also do is go into the marketplace and search for Simpaiza, which also has JazzCash and EasyPaiza. So you can just install this and set everything up through here. And this is going to enable you to add your JazzCash credentials, however they are added. I'm not very familiar with how you do. Pretty sure you do need an identification number and you need to connect it with your JazzCash profile. And once you do, you'll be able to enter that payment gateway into your WordPress site. And once you're done with that, people will be able to pay with JazzCash on your site, or you'll be able to withdraw money through JazzCash. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.